Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing power and connection. Charge the case and buds to at least 30% so firmware updates won't fail. Next, install the Galaxy wearable app and turn on Bluetooth on your phone. This app manages features and EQ. Once done, open the charging case close to the phone to trigger the pairing pop-up. Tap Connect and follow on-screen prompts. This ensures the buds register correctly and any initial firmware is applied for optimal performance. After pairing, you'll handle the detailed configuration. If the app prompts a firmware update, apply it now because updates improve stability and noise cancellation. Then customize touch controls and choose between ANC and ambient modes to suit your environment. These settings change battery use and call clarity. Make sure you run the ear tip fit test in the app and adjust wingtips until the seal is snug. Good seal equals better bass and ANC performance. Save presets so you don't repeat steps. Finish by testing typical tasks. Play music, make a call, and switch ANC on and off to confirm behavior. If you encounter issues, one bud not connecting or unstable audio, reset the buds, place them in the case, then hold both touchpads for about 10 seconds until the LEDs flash. After reset, reopen the case and repair through the app or Bluetooth settings. If problems persist, check phone Bluetooth permissions and try another device to isolate whether the buds or phone is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.